What's the matter with this guy? What is the matter with him? Very gently, very carefully.
Okay.
Now you better stay there.
Do it fast.
Oh, don't just tease me. He doesn't like his pins are shaking.
We'll edit that out.
We'll edit that part out. Or are you
Yeah, I'm filming,
filming?
so hurry.
Hurry, I'm trying. I can't hurry. Come on, you little guy, you. You get in there. You stay there. You stay fixed. Is he fixed? Is he fixed? Oh! Oh!